Good day, can you tell me about yourself?
Good day, my name is Ana Rose Erdola Cantula. I live in Purok Tres Carugcogra, Purapo, Albay. I'm single. I'm 28 years old.
Do you have kids?
No.
How many siblings do you have?
5 brothers, 3 sisters.
And your order in the family?
7.
Tell me about your educational background.
I'm graduate of Bachelor of Elementary Education.
Do you have work experience abroad?
No.
Do you have local experience here in the Philippines?
Yes, I experienced 2 years. My duties, taking care of the children, cleaning house,
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
trustworthy, hardworking.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No.
Why do you want to work abroad?
To support my family.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Now, give me your idea. How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will talk them calmly.
Lastly, what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I assure you that I'm a good worker, and if you have a child, I will take care of them as my own, and I will promise to you that I will finish my contract. Thank you.